Hi everyone, we are here today doing an unboxing of the off-road drift Jeep by LOOZIX. Got a Mega Magnum wheel on it. It's a metal series RC vehicle, 2.4 gigahertz, four-wheel drive drift Jeep. This unit comes with two different remote controls. You've got a hand gesture control here and a traditional remote here as well. It is 2.4 gigahertz. You're going to get about 200 feet of range out of it. It's got an aluminum body, has a rechargeable battery, and shock absorbers built in. This unit is made for individuals ages 6 and up. It is not recommended for children ages 3 or younger due to the small parts, I'm sure. So let's get into it. So here we have a battery, the hand gesture control device, and a charging cable, and also a user's manual. Here we also have what appear to be a couple of spare trailing arms. And the unit itself. It's got soft rubber tires. This is a die-cast body. There's the trailing arms, the shock absorbers. There's your on-off switch, battery compartment. Yeah. And here is your conventional stick controller for it. So we're going to get it charged up and we'll take it out and do some testing with it later.